Hey everybody, welcome back to Rink's Garage. Today we're going on a little fishing trip. Where are we going, Peyton?
Red Rock.
Red Rock. It's about a half hour north of us, so we're gonna head up there and see if we can catch some fish, and we'll take you guys along for the ride. Well, we made it out on the lake, right? Drilled a hole a little ways away, it's about 10 feet deep. So we're thinking we're going to be 10 to 12 where we're at. About 18, 20 inches ice, I suppose. So now we got to do the drilling. So we'll get some holes drilled. Peyton will get all the slush out of them. And we'll see what's down there. All right, Peyton, pop the covers off. We can reach through. We can get a bucket and a dipper. Well, we got our holes all drilled. Peyton's getting the line down. We're about 10.7 below the ice, which I miscalculated. It's more like 24. So in about, 13 foot of water, 12 foot of water. So see what happens. But yeah, we got all 6 holes drilled, cleaned out. Working on putting the camera down, see what's down there. Appears to be pretty clear.
Perch! Already!
What?
There's a perch on the camera.
There was?
Yeah.
Where'd he
We
go?
can see it on the camera. Oh, right there. See him?
Yep. There's a fish. That's nice.
As soon as we put down the camera.
Alright, so... Oh! There's one coming right up to the camera. Where'd he go?
Hard to keep it stable.
There he is.
There he is.
Little perchy swimming around on the bottom.
That's how I know it's a good spot.
Oh.
Oh, there he is.
So we want to get our camera a little bit lower. Try and get right down about 6 inches off the bottom. Something like that. Then we'll turn it so we can find Peyton's minnow.
Waxy.
See if we can catch anything. And just like that, Peyton's got a perch.
What have we? I put my line in the water for 5 seconds.
Might be a good day. What's he look like? 6 incher?
We'll see.
Better measure it and get him back in the water.
8.5. Okay.
First catch of the day. Hopefully we see more.
Got another one. Dude, how much? Oh, that guy's real little.
Catch of the day. And it's, I don't know, 9 o'clock in the morning. So
This guy
might be a long day catching fish.
won't even measure him.
Okay.
Too little.
What do you think?
Good.
All right, we're about 20 minutes in. Peyton's still hitting the perch with the waxy. How many up to?
10.
10 fish in 20 minutes.
Perch.
No keepers yet.
About to
but
be 11.
he's got one on the hook up here coming in. You can see it.
And
Oh.
it's on.
There he goes.
Oh, get that one.
We got one on the rattle reel. Hope he dropped it.
Oh, I got caught on the ice.
Missed him.
Caught on the ice.
Could be a long day of pulling in little fish. Hopefully we get some bigger ones. We got a pike.
Which way is she going? This way?
Going towards the camera, so go jig that shiner in the back. Just jig it once. Oh!
Is he back?
He just went across the screen.
One that way.
This way, so
That way.
that way.
That way. 'Cause mine's
Yeah.
this way.
He's staying in the area. Little update, it's 10:45, so we've been fishing for just about 2 hours. Or a little over actually, 2.5 probably. Peyton's keeping track. We're up to, what, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 28 perch and 3 bluegill. Nothing of any size yet. We have seen a walleye and a nice pike. Nice pike. No crappies, but there's pretty much constantly fish on there. But perch
I
are,
can put it down and I'm gonna catch them
Yeah.
right now.
perch are all about 8 inches, so hopefully we get some bigger fish moving in later. You can see as soon as you drop it down, they just come flying in on it. But like I said, them are all about 6 to 8 inch perch, just like this. Oh, he got off. Try her again. They'll come right back.
He doesn't have it yet.
He's pretty little. Oh, now he's got it in his mouth.
Yep. There, now it is.
That's a pretty small one. He didn't look much bigger than the minnow. We got a shiner down in these other 2 holes, and something just keeps making the bell ring and then leaving it.
Taking the minnow.
Took the minnow a couple times. We did, like I said, we did see probably, it might have been a 3 or 4 pound pike. Oh, that one's only about 5 inches. Catch and release. Anyway, we'll keep going until we run out of bait. We might have to go down and get some more.
Oh, there's some perch looking at us.
Oh, what's that?
That's
the pike.
Scared him off.
Yeah. See if we can get him to come back in. No pike. What are we up to, Peyton? It's about 1 o'clock. Peyton's up to 49 perch. I got like 19.
18.
18.
Oh, 19.
And still just the 3 bluegill. So we're gonna keep going here for another half hour, and then we gotta run in town and get some more bait because we're gonna run out before nightfall. So
We need them for the Walters.
hopefully we get some walleyes tonight. You can tell when the northerns come in because all the perch disappear.
Yeah, I was like, why are all the perch gone? And then that comes in from behind.
But we got a big shiner down over there in the corner, but
Yeah, it's like this big.
like 5 inches long. So we'll see. He's back.
Right in front of the camera.
Just hanging out in front of the camera.
Probably gonna sit there for an hour.
Doesn't even care if Peyton's jigging at the minnow head.
Should I put down a bigger? Oh, and there it goes. He's heading this way.
Boom. Over there. Is he taking it?
Can I reel
Yep.
him in?
Yep.
Got him.
Is he on there? Is it big? Careful.
He's big, alright.
Okay.
Oh,
Hold on.
that's like a muskie. Is he heavy?
Woo! Grab the camera, Peyton. Big ol' Norski. We need pliers.
Okay.
5.8. You want to keep them or you want to let them go?
I don't care.
You want to take them home and clean them or not?
Yeah.
We can.
Okay.
Peyton's first northern sliced his hand. Where's that? That's bleeding at.
It's not bleeding
Just a little
anymore.
bit. All right. Grab a bucket.
Okay.
Well, we landed a pike, or Peyton did. About, well, how long was it?
30.
30 inches. About 5.5, 6 pounds. So take that home and slice her up. Now the perch are back, so fish a little bit more here and run and get some more minnows, I think. All right, we're back with an update. I think we're up, what, over 100 perch? Patty?
Yeah.
A little over 100 perch. Still 3 bluegills, 1 pike. 3:45. Oh, Peyton's got another perch. Give you guys a little tour of the fish house. This is a 2019 Ice Castle walleye tracker. We've got 6 holes, 2 bunks back there, 2 bunks here, little bathroom, which is just a toilet seat that you put a bucket under. Try not to use that if we don't have to. A couple cupboards. We got a stove. Got the generator outside, so it's basically like another house. But it's getting close to something dinged the rattle reel. Getting close to dark. Hopefully we get some more action here when the sun starts going down about 4:30. Hoping to see some crappies and some walleyes, but still a couple perch swimming around. It's been pretty steady all day, so we'll be back when we start catching some big ones. How many you got left?
I don't know.
4. Peyton needs 4 more for 100 perch. Neighbor said he's seeing crappies, so we're hoping we get some of them in here. Made a pizza. Oh, there's a crappie right there.
There's a jig. Yeah, he's gone.
All right, they're moving in. Let's see if we can catch some. We got something tangled up in everything.
It's a pike.
He's tangled in the camera line.
Yeah, he is. Oh, it's hitting the ice. The camera is. Oh, yeah.
We're gonna have a big mess when we get done. You see him?
Yeah. See his tail?
Oh yeah, there's his tail. You gotta get his head around.
I know. I think it's caught on the ice.
Yeah. He might be caught up in the... Let him get out a little bit. There you go. So you can get his head up. So get him untangled from the camera. See, the camera's going all crazy.
It's caught on something. There it is.
Oh yeah, another nice pike. Oh, he's all wrapped up.
Oh!
You running?
Yep.
Let's see if we can pull the camera out, Peyton.
We'll just let him sit there, bail open. I don't want to lose the rod.
Yeah, you... Oh, he's taking off. Let me see if I can pull the camera up.
Should I still fight him?
No.
Just let him go?
Yep.
Hopefully not let him get tangled up in even more lines.
Oh yeah, he's double looped with the camera. Come on.
He's still taking off.
You pull on him with your rod.
Okay.
Oh.
Stop?
Yep, now let go.
Is it like wrapped around him?
Yeah.
Oh, he just took off. Oh, there. Oh, well, we got him. Out a whole different hole.
Grab me the pliers.
This one's not as big.
2.5 pounder.
Yep. Let him go in this hole where
Sure.
there's no lines.
Sure. You want a picture with him or no?
No, it's fine.
Alright, let him go. Stop it. Back up.
Oh, he's upside
Get it.
down.
Come on, buddy. He's gone.
There you go.
It's been pretty slow since it got dark out.
Haven't caught any. I've caught like 2 perch.
Yeah, the perch pretty much quit. We've seen some crappies, but they don't want to bite, so try jigging. A little bit of everything. Still got a big sucker minnow over there. Fathead there. What do you got, Patty?
I just got a fathead.
Fathead, and I got a fathead on mine too. So. See if business picks up. Here it is. 6:30. 8 o'clock. She really slowed down. How long has it been since we caught a fish?
An hour.
Hour or so. Maybe 2 hours. We're still marking them every once in a while. They're just below my minnow. But they will not even nibble. Of course, looks like Star Trek on the camera, so not seeing much there, but I'm gonna switch up some minnows and see if we can find them. Otherwise, we might just have to put the rattle reels down and take a nap. What do you think about that? No, he says. You gonna stay up all night?
No.
No. Keep trying here for an hour or so. It might be bedtime. What's going on?
Oh, there's a pike. We just seen him on
Just
the camera.
holding it under the water.
Should I
If
try?
that's the pike.
Should I try?
Do whatever you want.
Oh, there it goes. Got him. Pike number 3.
Careful. You might be tangled up in the...
Broke my line.
Snapped it?
I think. Yep. Snap my 8-pound test.
Bummer. Now what?
I don't know.
Eat some fish sticks?
Yeah. Hopefully.
Throw a new minnow down?
Hopefully we catch him and then we can get that hook back. It was my favorite hook.
Is that the one you had all day? Caught all the fish on? Different
I
one?
had the little one on Dougie's already.
No.
Still have the bobber.
Well, load her up again.
Yeah. As soon as I put on a big fat head.
Well, it's 9:45. Haven't seen any action since the northern pike breaking Hayden's line. So I think we're gonna call her a night. Unless some rattle reels go off, but what do we end up with for the day?
130 perch, 3 bluegill, and 2 pikes.
Not bad for one day. So we'll lay down, get some sleep, and try her again in the morning. Think they'll be biting?
Yeah, the perch will.
It's 2:30 a.m. A little while ago we had something tangled up almost every line, so we pulled them all up except 2, and now we started catching crappies.
So I put down
How many you got so far?
2, a 9 and a 11-inch crappie.
And missed one that he said was big. So, see if we can catch a couple more. What you got?
Crappie.
Ooh. Little 3:39 a.m. crappie action. That's what, number 3?
And we just seen him on camera.
Cool.
Yep.
What's he measure?
He's 9.5.
9.5. Might as well throw him in the bucket, huh, with the other 2? Cool.
Now we have a 9, 9.5, and an 11.
Well, see if we can get some more, eh? Yeah, I wonder how long he's been on there.
Okay, I got it.
Okay. Always gotta watch where he's hooked at. Just when he grabs him.
Side of the
It's in there pretty good.
See how big he is. $25, I feel like.
Hold on. Getting slime everywhere. 27?
27.
Oh, we got slime everywhere.
Weigh him or just let him go?
We can just let him go.
Yeah.
What do you think? Another northern.
Yeah.
Alright, let him go down that hole behind you where there's no hook.
Oh, that was fast.
Well, 7:30 a.m. northern. Get everything all slimed up. See if we can catch some more fish that we want to eat. We already got one northern, so
No more of those.
we'd like a walleye.
Yeah. We seen one yesterday morning on camera.
Time is it? It's 11:15. We're gonna stick her out for about one more hour. Get cleaned up. Right now we're at somewhere around 190 total fish, so I suppose we better stay until we get 200. What do you think?
I don't know.
You don't know.
$100 or $200.
200. 200 fish is a giant.
Might have to eat them. So big. He is a whopping 5.5 inches.
5.5 inches, number 200 in what? 8 time is that? Noon. So like 28 hours ago we started fishing. And you only got a half hour left. And we gotta go home and do what? Take a shower.
Yeah, and then watch the Super Bowl.
Super Bowl! Gonna fish for
57.
another half hour and start packing up. Well, we decided to call her a day after what? 201 fish since yesterday at 8. It's a little after noon. Got a bucket full of fish to clean when we get home. What's all in there, Patty?
1 pike, 3 perch, and 4 crappies.
Is that enough for you for supper?
Yeah.
So with that, we're gonna head out, head her back home about a half hour, so not too bad. Get cleaned up, clean some fish. So thanks for watching. See you next time.